Breaking news, stay with us. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. On May 22, 2025, during his swearing-in ceremony as the newly appointed first deputy chairperson of the Sudan People's Liberation Movement (SPLM), Dr. Benjamin Bal-Mel pledged to support and protect President Salva Kiir from any internal or external humiliation. He emphasized his commitment by stating, "I will study you, guide you, support you, and protect you from any humiliation, whether external or internal. And I am sure that your legacy will remain that forever." Dr. Bol's appointment follows a significant reshuffle within the SPLM, where President Kiir promoted him to the position of deputy chairperson, effectively positioning him as a potential successor and acting president should Kiir step down. This move has been interpreted by analysts as a strategic consolidation of power amid ongoing political unrest and factional fighting in South Sudan. In his speech, Dr. Bal also called for unity within the SPLM and emphasized the need to rebuild the party as a true people's movement. He highlighted the importance of peace, national unity, and the rule of law as foundations for a functioning country. Dr. Bol's ascent in the political hierarchy comes amid heightened tensions, including the recent house arrest of First Vice President Riek Machar on accusations of inciting rebellion, a move that Machar's party claims undermines the 2018 peace deal. These developments have raised international concern, leading countries like the US, UK, and Germany to reduce their diplomatic presence in South Sudan. Dr. Bal, who also serves as vice president for the economic cluster, has been a close ally of President Kiir and was previously sanctioned by the US in 2017 over allegations of receiving favorable treatment in government contracts. His recent statements and rapid rise suggest a strategic alignment with President Kiir, potentially positioning him as a key figure in South Sudan's political future.